Moving on now to news coming in from Jammu and Kashmir, where an anti-terror operation is underway. There was an encounter that broke out in Kathua, is what we're given to understand. Huge amounts of arms and ammunition have been recovered. 3 terrorists have been neutralized as well. Shot in the arm as far as anti-terror operations are concerned. Operations jointly usually conducted by the police and the Indian Army. What we're learning is that the operation is still on. The combing operations, search and rescue will continue. But for now, the good news is that at least 3 terrorists have been neutralized. Any sort of misadventure that was attempted by these Pakistan proxies has been neutralized. That threat has been eliminated by our forces. A joint operation in Kathua in Jammu and Kashmir now coming to a logical conclusion, at least at the moment, with the elimination and the neutralizing of these 3 terrorists. Tejinder, my colleague, now joining us, getting us more details on this. Tejinder, I believe that 2 terrorists have been neutralized. What is the status of the operation?
Yes, indeed. The operation is right now on. 2 terrorists have been neutralized. This was a joint operation between the Army, the Special Operation Group of the Jammu and Kashmir Police. The Army early this morning said that they got the inputs about the presence of terrorists in the Basantgarh area, which is adjacent to the Kathua-Udhampur border. After that, this operation was launched, and there were reports that 3 to 4 terrorists were present in the area. So the firing started for some time, and now what we are told that 2 terrorists have been neutralized in this operation, and hunt for remaining terrorists are still on. This is the security forces believe that this is a group of Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorists which had recently infiltrated into the Indian side, and they were responsible for carrying out several terror-related incidents in Kathua, in Udhampur, as they were tasked to carry out multiple attacks in Jammu region during the ongoing assembly elections. So a major success for the security forces in Jammu region. They have eliminated 2 terrorists and a large quantity of arms and ammunition, including AK assault rifles, hand grenades, large quantity of ammunition, ration and other warlike stores have been recovered from these 2 terrorists. But right now, as we speak, the operation is on. The security forces do believe that 1 more terrorist has been injured. This is the latest update which we just received from our sources within the security establishment. So 2 terrorists have been gunned down. 1 is believed to be injured. So the hunt is on for these remaining 2, one of whom has been injured in the ongoing operation. Yes.
Right, Tejinder, thank you so much for getting us the latest on that front. It's definitely a shot in the arm for our forces in election season. Jammu and Kashmir is going to be seeing 3-phase elections this month. We'll keep a track of that and much more here on Nation at 5. But for now, it's time for a quick break.